How to display your name on lock screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily display your name on lock screen. For that, firstly open setting application, go to wallpaper and style and choose the option of always on display. Now, in this setting, you will see a lot of options in customize and personalize. In this option, you can also include picture or text. So simply click on text option if you want. After that, you can simply type your name and save it. And just like that, you will be able to display your name on lock screen. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.